Wonderful. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Post-it application. So the first thing you want to do is you want to press the little Windows key on your laptop, or you can scroll over to the bottom left and click on this little Windows button. Next, you want to start typing. So just type Post-it, or you can go type in sticky notes. It'll both work the same, and then you press Enter once the blue thing is highlighted over it. So here I have a little note application already made, but say you want to make a new one. You can either press the new note application, and another thing will pop up, or if it's your first time initializing, a brand new note will appear. So say we close out of these, we can open up our sticky notes application again. We can click this, and I get this menu. So what we can actually do is you could click on this and say, we can go to a note list, and this is what we're probably going to get when you first initialize the program. So say you have a homework assignment to do tomorrow, and you have a bunch of notes that you want to curate in order to complete that program. If you say you want to do this, you can go up here to this little plus button, and you press this, and you can create multiple notes. So here I can say, test 1 perhaps, and then I can scroll over here, click, and then press test 2, or type in test 2 rather. So now I have these two applications, and what I can actually do is I can click here, come down here, go here, click, and then I have these things back up again. And of course you can close out any of these windows, and then you can just have this, or you can go back here, and you can scroll down, and you can pop this sucker right on up, and then you can have your notes on whatever you're doing, while also being able to focus directly on the task at hand. So say you have your note application here, and you want to really emphasize something. So we can go test, test, test. Let's say this we don't really want to emphasize. We can come down here and press this little B to make it bold, this slash to make it indented, or italicized rather, and this U with an underline to make it underlined. So we can press any of these to use one of those 3 common things. We can also cross out things instead of deleting it if you press that, or you can turn on bullet notes, and bullet points rather, for your notes. So for this I want to bold, so I'm going to go down here to my B, press it, and then my text becomes bold. And then you can click anywhere else on the note, and then you can have that. Now let's say we want to make that italicized. I go right down here, and then just like that, and you're good. And I believe that's pretty much it in regards to the Note app.